Hello again, colorful creators. Today we're going to learn how to make leaf prints with paint sticks. The supplies are super simple. They're linked in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Gather up some leaves and your supplies and let's get started. Simply going to coat the leaves with our paint sticks. Now you do need to be gentle in this process or you might rip your leaf. And make sure you coat it pretty thoroughly. Flip it over onto your page and just press it on there. I did use the cap of my paint stick sometimes to try and smush off as much paint as I possibly could. However, I did at some points with certain leaves squish them, so just be aware of that. We're using lots of hand muscles here, so we're really developing some strength within our hands, which is great for developing pencil grips and things like that in the future. Just stick with this activity as long as it interests your little one. Feel free to experiment, play around with the colors that you use, maybe even add a little bit of water to your leaves before you stamp them. When you're creating with little ones, keep in mind that the final product is not the goal. The goal is to experiment, it's to explore, it's to create. Enjoy the process of creating and making. Not only making something physical, but making memories that will last a lifetime. Keep that goal in mind as you create. This is a great project for creators of all ages. It can be adapted for way younger kids as well as older ones as well. My biggest recommendation would be to color your leaves on a separate page or off to the side. You don't want to end up coloring onto your actual stamping page as well. These leaf prints would even look great with a colored background, perhaps on a watercolor background. Maybe you could make fall colored cards and stamp a few leaves on top of a card. It's so fun learning these basic things that can be transformed into really interesting things later on. Would you subscribe to our channel so that we can create more memories and masterpieces in the future? Thanks so much for creating with us today. We'll see you in the next video.